Hey, I'm JR. Today I'm going to teach you how to put on Hi-Tech's lower rail mod upgrade so that you can also attach a striker handle. This is going to be for the KS7 12 gauge bullpup shotgun made by Kel-Tec. Start in the back here, bend this out, and slide that in. That's it. And you can hear it snapping in. The same thing with the other side. I'm having trouble getting this one in. Thank you, honey. Okay, so now that we have the other side put in, just so you know, you may have a little bit of difficulty, but you saw all work around, so let's go on to the next step.
All right, before you move this action on this KS7, these two metal brackets down in here, well, they're gonna leave a scratch, but it's not gonna take the bluing off of the rifle. But to eliminate as much scratching as possible and to keep it moving as fast as possible without malfunction, gun grease. And just try to coat the back side of it, because once you cock it, once you get the actual attachment on there, once you cock it, that grease will slide down with it. Just a little bit, ain't gonna go super crazy. Now, once you do cock it a few times, I would say put a tiny bit more on there, just to eliminate, just because you have metal on metal. I would have thought they would have made these polymer, so just know that these are metal to metal contacts, so they are going to make a slide mark.
Oh, that is a good point.
If you're trying to keep a barrel from having that scratch line, do not put this in.
Oh no, my OCD is gonna go crazy. I need a Phillips head. Okay, so now we're gonna take 3 screws, put these rails and line them up.
So get it where it's about, I wouldn't say hand tight, I'd say get them all right before snug, because you still have to put the bottom rail in to put your hand guard on.
Okay.
So you don't want to tighten it yet.
The same
thing on the other side. I'm
just gonna put the middle one in first. Try to line it up as evenly as possible.
Yeah, you gotta lean
Sorry for my shadows. Yeah. Okay, and I don't want to tighten these down yet.
No.
I want to wait.
You want to have a little bit of play.
Okay.
There's a whole nother piece.
This piece? Oh, the rail goes under here. Ah.
That's why you want to have some play.
You're not just another pretty face, darling. More screws.
After you get all 6 in, don't hard tighten them. Don't hard tighten them.
Not yet. Okay,
and then once you get all 6 of them in, you want to do that on both sides before you start tightening it like a tire, so it tightens evenly. So you don't. Okay. So if you say
more pressure on one side.
So yeah, exactly.
So do I want to tighten these first and then these?
So you want to alternate like a tire. You want to do that star pattern.
Okay.
So whichever one's the loosest one, which is right here.
Okay. How'd you know that?
Because I can see it. You just want to put them right when they get tight.
Gotcha.
And then once they all get tight on the entire thing, then torque the rest. Then torque them down to about another 4th turn. Over and do the same thing.
Okay.
The weapon is unloaded, by the way, for all the out there. I know that barrel's right in my face.
It's supposed to fit on a KS7?
Oh, you got lucky.
Okay, oh my gosh.
Alright, so
thank goodness.
KSG rail fits the KS7 handguard.
Okay. I was reading this, I was like, huh, I got a Hi-Tech Striker KSG charging handle.
Very first teeth. Too far. No, you already passed your first teeth. Back up. Back up. Right there.
Right there.
Perfect.
Right there.
Right there. And then take both your mounting brackets.
And put it like this.
So when you lift up, then spin. You see how it drops in?
Mm-hmm.
You want to push down if you have the barrel upside down. Yeah, it's in there. So you're putting technically upward pressure on it. 4th turn. Boom. Because you don't want to ever, as soon as you get something too tight and you strip it, you're screwed.
Huh, pun intended.
Absolutely. That's it. Function test. Doesn't impede the block. Doesn't impede the lower either. So no finger bite. Good to go. Fire and haul.
See, it's unloaded. Okay, and that is how you put on a rail and charging handle. All right, so I like how this feels. It feels really comfortable. It's actually surprisingly light. It did put a little bit weight at the end, so when I'm shooting, it is going to hold it down a little bit more, which I like that, but it's not too heavy to where it's not hard for me to hold up at a long period of time. Because some of the guns that I use do get really heavy, especially when there's a lot of rounds in the magazine. So I'm feeling like very comfortable. I can move around with this. It's very, very smooth. I do see that there are marks on my barrel, just like Ben said, and that is a little disappointing, I'm not gonna lie. If I knew that, I probably would not have bought this. I'm surprised it's not a polymer and they did put the metal there. This is the first bullpup style shotgun that I've ever had. This gun does give a lot of kickback and it was something that I was not expecting before. Let's go test it out.